This is a video demonstrating how to change a filter on a Borg Overström water dispenser or tap system. There are two sizes of filter heads supplied with Borg Overström products: 3M AP2 filters and 3M AP3 filters. Both filter types function the same, so as long as you have a matching replacement to your existing filter, this tutorial is for you. Firstly, turn off the water supply before the filter and press the chilled icon on your dispenser to release the water pressure. Next, hold the filter head with one hand while turning the filter anti-clockwise by a quarter turn. The filter should now detach. A small amount of water in the pipes may also drop out at this stage. This filter can be disposed of in general waste. Take the new filter and insert it into the filter head. Rotate by a quarter turn clockwise to secure it in place. Before turning on the water supply, we want to flush the new filter through to ensure the water is clear. Detach the next push fitting after the filter by pressing the collet and pulling on the pipe. Using the pipe connected to the filter outlet, flush at least 2 litres of water into a bucket to ensure the water is clean. After flushing through, turn off the water, reconnect the pipe, and turn on the water again. Your filter change is now complete. For any further support, please contact our customer support team.